Hello and welcome back to Not a Proper Classic. We're on the big WiLL today, and we're going to be fitting a new wheel bearing that has an ABS sensor onto this wheel. We have got a replacement sensor that, depending how it goes, I may fit on this side. Hopefully that will solve our ABS light and speedo non-working issues. But as always, first thing first, wheel trim off, jack the car up and get the wheel off. Cue time lapse. So it's in, got the wheel off, over the jack. And what we need to do is, can you see it behind here? There are 4 nuts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the back of the bearing. I'm gonna put a lot of penetration fluid on it. We'll disconnect this, which is the new cable we put on the other week. Let this soak up. Then look to undo the bolts. I believe you also have to take off the drum as well, so I'll have a look at that in a second. So okay, I'll pop it back on video and try and pop you under here where you might be able to see something. There you go. So it's a 12mm socket, which I'll pop on here. So you need to be very careful of the brake line. Really don't want to be damaging that. There we go. I'll put my breaker bar on. It won't go on. Brilliant. Yeah. That's a good start. Right, let's try on. There we go. That's working, isn't it? Okay. Now let's that was easier than I thought it was going to be. It turns, didn't it? Didn't it? Yep, that's one that's turned. Let's do the bottom one. That's 2. Cool. I'll put you back on time lapse while I do the others and get them undone. Right, as you're seeing, bolts off the back, so just give it a gentle tap and a bit of a persuasion. As this is proving the right pig to get off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the nuts back on here, then hit it from a hammer from that side, so we're actually hitting, hopefully pushing it out and forwards. But yeah, let's see and go. You may have noticed, different day, lighter, different clothes, excuse the knees, because I left and came back to this Burke MOT stuff, which you can find up in this corner here. So yeah, let's hit it with a hammer again. What we're going to do here is use some bolts and nuts to tighten up, put some pressure on the axle and hopefully push the hub out. There we go. It doesn't need to be a lot, just a bit. There we go. So we're getting there, getting it back on. Just trying to go through evenly between those 4 bolts. Get it back on, tighten it up. Do put copper slip in the bit goes in the hub. Makes it easier to get on. But hopefully the new bearing hub with the new sensor on it will help with the ABS light. I'll cut back to you once it's all back on. So that's the rear bearing done on Big Willie here. I'll be obviously coming back to do the brakes. As by doing all of that, yeah, there was a lot still left to do. So it'll be that corner, which is why the wheel trim's off. But I just want to say thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.